Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming essentials and taking the first actions that trigger sync. Make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi network and that iCloud has enough free space so uploads aren't blocked. Next, sign into the correct Apple ID and enable iCloud Photos on the device you're fixing. On iPhone, go to Settings Photos. On Mac, use System Preferences, Apple ID iCloud. Once done, keep the device plugged in and awake so initial uploads can start immediately. Now you'll tackle the complex middle steps to unstick the sync process. If photos aren't moving, toggle iCloud Photos off, wait 30 seconds, then turn it back on to force a rescan. Make sure download and keep originals or optimize iPhone storage is set correctly. Larger libraries sync best on Wi-Fi and while charging. Check the Photos app for status messages like waiting or uploading. If shown, pause other network activity, then restart the Photos app or device to let the queue clear. Finish by confirming everything reached the cloud and applying a single focused fix if not. Visit iCloud.com to verify the library or check a second device signed into the same Apple ID. You can force an immediate upload by editing a photo or moving it into a new album. Small changes trigger sync. If syncing still fails, sign out and back into iCloud, install the latest OS updates and free storage. Troubleshooting tip: disable low power mode and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.